Okay, now to come back, we again have all of these staged files and they're ready to be committed. But I wanted to show you what happens when we modify one of these files after they've been added to the staging area. So I'm going to go into the input module folder. And what we're going to do is use the step files, which in other build a module videos allows us to progressively work through the expansion of module code. And we'll use these step files in order to mimic the progression of code as we add new code and modify code. So let's go ahead and open up this first step file. And let's open up input.module as well. And what we want to do is copy the code from the step file. I'm just highlighting the entire thing and copying it. And then I'm going to paste it over into the input.module file and save it. Okay, so now we have a modified file. When we go back to the command line and use git status, we see that we have a new modified file here. This is an important concept to understand. So even though we've added our file to be staged, which means that on the next commit, it will be pushed with that commit, we've still made a modification beyond what we've staged. And so this new change won't get committed if we just do a normal commit. If you're used to using the Subversion version control system, then this might trip you up a bit, because in Subversion, when you add a file, then any changes that you make to that file subsequently get added on the next commit automatically. However, with the Git system, it means that you have to be explicit about everything that you want to push on the next commit, so you don't end up accidentally committing certain changes without knowing about it. Let's go ahead and commit this. Now what we've done previously is used git commit and then the message. But this time what we're going to do is pass a second parameter, and I'm going to do it before the -m, and it's -a, which is short for all. And what this will do is add all of our staged files, as well as any modifications that are made to files that are currently being tracked. So if we didn't add the -a, this modification wouldn't be committed. But when we do add it, we get all of the modifications as well as any new files that we've staged. The one thing that this won't add are unstaged new files. So if we created a new file, but we haven't actively used the git add command, then those files won't be added to this commit. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and press enter. And we see our commit output here. Again, we have the branch, a unique hash, our commit message. We have 14 files that were changed. And this number here, the number of insertions, are the number of actual lines in these files that were modified or added. And then 0 deletions. And it shows here that we added a number of files.